today, right? Today. Remember that we were learning about animals, okay? Animals and their babies, okay? Like we know that mommy plants and baby plants, they both have stems, they both have roots, they both have leaves, but they have the same parts, but they can still be different. I want us to have a look here, okay? We have koala bear number 1, koala bear number 2. Which koala bear is the parent koala bear? Which koala bear is the parent koala bear? 1 or 2? Toby?
It is number 1.
It is number 1. And Toby, why? Why do you think it's number 1?
Because I see it is bigger than the number 2.
Exactly. It is bigger. Well done, okay? So guys, do you think that that is a pattern? Something we see again and again, that the mommy is bigger than the baby. Is that a pattern? Something we can see again and again. Minghong, what do you think? Is that a pattern? Something we can see again and again?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. It is a pattern, guys. That is a pattern. That is something that we see again and again and again. Okay, that the parent animal, the parent plant, and the parent human, they are always bigger than the babies, right? They are always bigger than the babies, okay? Now, let us have a look here. Who can tell me, okay, we know that animals, parent animals and their babies, they have the same parts. Okay, they have some of the same parts and some different parts. You can see in the picture, what parts do the mommy koala have and the baby koala have? What parts do they both have? What parts do they both have? Yes,
I think the ear.
Okay, well done. So we can say they both have ears. What other parts do they both have, guys? Kind T.
Eye.
They both have eyes. What other parts do they both have? Let's see. Do I see? Lingdan, what other body parts do they both have?
No.
Very good. They both have a nose. Well done. Okay. So guys, now we know that this is what they both have. They both have eyes. They both have ears. They both have a nose. They both have a mouth. I want to know, yeah, are these parts exactly the same or a little bit different? What about, I want to hear from Bob Oy. I want to hear from you. Do you think these parts are exactly the same or a little bit different?
Same.
Why do you think they are the same? How are they the same?
The color.
Okay, so we know that the color is the same. So are they exactly the same or are some things a little bit different?
Exactly the same.
So they are the same size?
No.
So are their parts exactly the same or a little bit different?
Little bit different.
How are they different?
The sign of the eyes.
Very good. Okay, guys. So we can see that the parts, sure, the parts are the same shape, right? The nose is the same shape. The eyes are the same shape. The ears are the same shape. But the baby is smaller, which means the eyes would be smaller, the nose would be smaller, and the ears would be smaller, right? So that's where we're going to get into this, into our diagram. So open up your diagram, get it out. I'm going to share some things with you here, and we are going to start to stick our labels. So the first thing I actually want you to do is this. Let me move your faces. So guys, can you see the word diagram here? First, I want you guys to do a little bit of writing. Do you have a pen?
I have a pencil, not a pen.
A pencil is fine. So above both, you're going to write alike. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. Above both, you're going to write same. Wait, same. And over here, different. Hands up when you are finished writing your words. So guys, here you can see, right, this part. This is what we're going to talk about first. What parts they both have? How are they the same? What parts do both the parent and the young have? So have a look here. We have ears, nose, eyes, and tail. Where would we put these parts? Where are we going to put these parts? Where are we going to stick these words? Yes, Henry.
We will stick it in both.
Very good. Okay, so guys, that both our animals, young and old, have nose, eyes, ears, and tail. Okay, so that's where you're going to stick those words, under both. Under both, okay? Once you have finished sticking, let me know. Raise your hand, yeah? Lingdan, how are you doing?
I'm done.
Beautiful. Love it.
Miss Nikita, I done.
Very good, guys.
I done. I don't have glue, so I use pencil to write.
That's perfect. Don't worry, Lingdanoi. You can write, okay? Well done, guys. Okay, now.
Miss Nikita finished.
Very good. That's what I love to hear. Okay, guys. Beautiful. Now, the next things I want to look at, okay, is bigger ears and smaller ears. Where are we going to put bigger ears? Whose ears are bigger? Parent or young? Lingdanoi, parent or young?
Parent ears.
Very good. And whose ears are smaller, Lingdan?
Young ears.
Beautiful. So we will put bigger ears under parent and smaller ears under young. Okay? Stick, stick, stick. And let me know when you are finished. Ming Chao, oi, sticking, sticking. No picking your nose. No treasures.
I finished.
Okay, very good. That's what I like to hear. Very good. Well done, guys. Now, let's look at our next one, okay? I want to see this one here. We have smaller and bigger. Who is smaller and who is bigger? Guys, I want to hear from Duk Ang. Duk Ang, who is smaller and who is bigger?
I think the parents is bigger and the young is smaller.
Beautiful. Okay, so we'll stick smaller under young and bigger under parent.
I finished, Miss. I finished already. I finished, Miss Nikita. Miss Nikita.
Very good. That's what I like to hear. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, now.
I am finished.
Now, the next one I want to look at, okay, is the horns and no horns, right? Horns and no horns. So for this one, I'm going to get the picture out so we can see. No horns. Which one has no horns? Yes, Minh Hương ơi.
The baby cow has no horn and the parent cows has horn.
Very good. Okay, so we will put no horns where, Minh Hương?
No horns in the young.
Okay, no horns in the young. And horns in the parent, right? Yeah. You guys are finished sticking horns and no horns?
Finished already. Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, so now, guys, the next one I want us to look at is pattern and no pattern. Pattern and no pattern. So let's have a look here. The main one I want us to look at for this one. Which one has a pattern and which one does not have a pattern? If we look at our deer, who has a pattern and who has no pattern? Kyan?
A baby is a pattern.
And the mummy?
A mommy is not a pattern.
Very good. Well done. I love it. Okay, so look here. Pattern for young.
No.
No pattern For parent. Beautiful. Okay, guys. So our last one here, right? Our last one is darker color and lighter color, right? So who is darker and who is lighter? Who is darker and who is lighter? Yes, Jenny, tell me who is darker and who is lighter?
And the parent eagle is darker and the baby eagle is lighter.
Very good. So we can see that now, right? The parent is darker and the young is lighter. Well done, Zui Ang, beautiful. Very good. Amazing, 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 amazing. I love it, guys. You've done so well. Okay, so Dukang, this is what I'm going to do now, okay? Just to help you a little bit. Okay, have a look here. Right, guys, I'm very, very proud of everyone, okay? So here, just to help Dukang a little bit. Don't worry, Dukang, it's coming, okay? So guys, let's have a look, right? Here we go. Here we go. Smaller. Oh no.
What's going on?
I'm just want to help because some of our some students are writing. Okay, so I'm just gonna help them by doing this. Quick.
I see that I'm looking at the screen.
Okay, darker color. We know that the bigger ears belongs here. We know that the ears belong here. We know
the dark color is in the parents and the light color is in the young.
very good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Well done. Okay. We know that no horns is in the young.
Where is light, Miss Nikita?
Henry just told you, Kayan. Henry, will you tell Kayan again?
Dark color is in parents and light color is in young. I know, but I didn't see it to right.
Ah, I see what you're saying. Okay, just wait for me. I'm nearly finished here and we can have a look. Because I know lots of you didn't have the worksheet, okay? So, oh my goodness, wait for me. Wait for me. Mistakes are being made here, guys.
Just like this.
Okay, and then I'm going to button out and put it here. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Have a look here, right? There we go. Oh, there we go. This is what it should look like, okay? Very good, Jenny. I love it. So Lingdan is finished. Ming Hung is finished. Jenny is finished. Henry is finished. Ming Chao, are you finished? Beautiful. Ming Chao is finished. Kang Chi, are you finished? Okay, Sweet Ang, are you finished? Yeah, Toby, you finished? Very good.
Học xong rồi.
Kang Chi, are you finished?
Giờ này thôi đừng đá bóng nó mệt. Đó. Con mà chạy đấy nó.
Miss Nikita, I'm finished already.
Who said that? Ming Chao or Jenny?
No, Ming
Sorry.
Hung. I finished, Miss Nikita.
Very good. Okay. Jenny, how are you doing? Are you finished?
Look, Miss Nikita.
Well done, Henry. Yours is beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. Duk Ang, how are you doing?
How many minutes? Finish the class.
Kai An, are you finished the worksheet? Yeah, okay, Kai An, it's rude to ask when the class will be over, okay? We don't ask that in class, it's not nice. Okay, guys, so now we can see, right? How our babies and our mummies are the same and how they are different. How they are different, okay? What they both have and how they are different. Okay, so this is a nice, easy way for us to see this, okay? Well done, guys. I'm so proud of all of you. Now, Now we know, right? Just Kai and camera. Okay, guys, so you remember when we were learning about plants, right? And we learned that baby plants and mommy plants, they have some parts that are the same, like root, stem, leaves. But these parts can be the same, but they can also be different. Maybe a different color, maybe a different shape, maybe a different size. So that is exactly the same for animals and for humans. We will have some parts that are the same, but look a little bit different, and some parts that are completely different, like how our parents have horns, but the young have no horns, right? How the parents have horns, but the young have no horns. So guys, if you think about it, right? What are these?
I think the teeth.
They are the teeth. Well done, Henry. No shouting out, okay? They are the teeth. Now, when a human baby is born, do they have teeth? Do they have teeth? Maybe.
One more different, I know.
Okay, so you know another thing that is different about human babies?
We small, we can break the
Very
teeth
good.
and it can grow, but we bigger, it cannot grow more.
Very good. So guys, Henry, what do you think? Babies, do they have teeth?
I think maybe just a little bit teeth.
Okay, very good. So guys, like that's a part that would be different, right? From babies and parents. Babies have no teeth, but parents do have teeth. Okay, so it's exactly the same. Like some parts are the same, but look different. And some parents have parts that babies do not have. Okay. Yeah, so that's what we are looking at with this diagram. What parts are the same? How are they the same? And how are they different, right? Now, I have a little bit of reading here, and I'm going to ask Kind Chi to read it for me. Kind Chi, can you read it for me?
By the end of this lesson, I will
be able
to
tell
how animals of the same kind can be
alike
and different.
Very good. Okay, so guys, basically, as Kind Chi read for us, this part is the alike. How are they alike? What do they both have? How are they different? Okay, how are they different, right? Well done, guys. I'm so proud of all of you. You did so well today. Yes, Henry, do you have a question?
My baby have 4 teeth.
On the top of the mouth?
Yeah, and in
the bottom?
Bottom, she have 2 teeth.
Wow. Oh my goodness, her teeth are really growing. Okay, guys, I'm really proud of you today with that worksheet. Yeah, do you guys like to do a worksheet in class?
I like this worksheet.
Yeah, maybe we can try to do more worksheets in the classroom, yeah? Okay, guys, so this is your homework, right? Match the babies to their mom. Match the babies to their mom. Very easy today, yeah? Match the baby to the mom, okay?
Lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, yeah? Okay, guys, let me do quick class dojo for you guys. I'm really proud of you. Wow. You did such a good job today. Wow, I'm very proud, okay? So I'm going to give the whole class participation and the whole class being on task, right? Sing come on, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.